Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of discussing question sets related to database management systems. So today we will be discussing another question set. This will be our question set number 7. So let's go to the question. There is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store data. The product table of that database is given below. So they have said the company called Next Computer uses a software to do their marketing activities, and the following database is used to store data. So the table called product they have given here. So question number 1, they have said create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. They have said to create a database called Next Computer. So let's go to our software called HeidiSQL. Here let's create a new database called Next Computer. So for this you will have to go to the session name, right click on it, select create new option, select database, and here give the name, in our case Next Computer, and then give OK. So now if we check our databases over here, we can see a database called Next Computer has been created here. So let's go to the question number 2. Here they have said create a table named product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. They have said to create a table called product in our created database called Next Computer. For this, right click on the database name, go to create new, and select table from here and name it as product. And let's add the columns. So for this we'll select the add option here, and the first column is ID. Date type is int, and they are set to make it the primary key and auto increment. So to make it auto increment, let's go for this section and select auto increment from here and give auto. And let's go to the name and right click on it, go to create new index. From here select primary, so it's now the primary key. Let's add the second column. Second column is brand, data is watcher, length is 45. Let's add the next column, model, data is watcher, and the length is 45. And the next column quantity to given, data is int, and the last column is price, which data is double. We use double because the price could be in floating numbers too. So now let's go on and save our table. Now if we go to data, we can see that our table is created and the relevant columns. Let's go to the question number 3. Insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. So they have said to insert this data for our created table called product. So I'll use the insert query to insert this data. So for this I will give insert give the database name here, and then the table name. Now we will have to give the necessary columns to insert the data. And let's give the add values. Now we have to give the needed values to be entered. So first our brand is HP. Model is Pavilion. Quantity is 15. And the price is 175,000. Let's execute the query. And now let's check our table. So you all can see our table. The data that we just inserted have been inserted to our table. Likewise, let's add all the data. Likewise, I have added all the data here. Now let's go to the next question. The owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in his company. He has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. So they have said that the owner of the store has decided to remove the brand called Lenovo because it's the least sold. So for this we will have to use a delete query. So for this I will go on and type the query. Here I'll give the database name, which is next computer. And in this side I have to give the table name. Let's give the where clause, and now the column name called brand. In brand I'll give the brand called Lenovo because now let's execute, and now let's check. So here you can see the brand called Lenovo has been removed from our database. So now let's go to the question number 5, which is the last question. The Asus brand ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop is no longer manufactured. So it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the required delete query statement. They said that the laptop called ROG Zephyrus M15, which is related to Asus brand, is no longer manufactured, so they are going to remove that as well. So for this, let's type another delete query. let's give the database name. And here the table name. I'll give the bare clause, and here I'll give the brand as Lenovo Asus, and then I'll give the model as give the model as Rockzipfus 15. So the reason for adding the brand as a condition also here is because the laptop called Rockzipfus M15 may be manufactured by other brands except Asus. So now let's execute the query, and now let's set the data. Here you can see the model called Rockzipfus M15 laptop has been removed from our database. So our discussion comes to an end. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.